Bharat Buildathon science concept. We are coming from Govt Girls Higher Secondary School, Perigulam, Theni District, Tamil Nadu. Theme: Clean India, Green India, Innovation for a Cleaner Future. Title: Smart to Vacuum Cleaner. Working mechanism: rechargeable battery. No need for continuous electricity. Made from waste materials. Water, plastic bottle, fan. Dust collector filter. Using cloth or mesh. Portable design. Lightweight, carry to easy. Electricity and portable design. Lightweight, easy to carry. Energy efficient motor. Benefits: promotes cleanliness and hygienic. Affordable for rural and middle class families. Reduces dust related to health problems. Encourages recycling and sustainable. Contributes to the Swachh Bharat mission.
பக்கத்தில் வச்சுக்கோங்க.
Thank you to all.